What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video we're going to be playing a new game called Teardown. Teardown is a game where you can destroy a lot of things and it has cool physics. Like, you can break this, and look, it has physics to it, so you can break all sorts of things, like you can throw things off of, porches, and open doors, and break them. So that's kind of cool, isn't it? So, in today's video, I downloaded a mod, and the mod is called Tornado Controller. This is a thing where you can go here and spawn a tornado and make it stronger, weaker, taller, faster, and all that good stuff. So today we're going to be trying it on the hardest mode, obviously. I have all sorts of ideas to see how we can survive the tornado. And the first one is in this tiny little garage down here. It's not tiny, it's a big garage, but it's in here. And I have bought a mod, bought a mod that, wait, I didn't even buy a mod. What am I saying? I downloaded a mod, and it has this little weird cars in it, and we're gonna be using this one. I just picked it randomly to survive the tornado. Now my idea is I'm gonna put this car on this little lift here, and then after I put it on the lift, I'm gonna raise the lift and weld it to the lift, and then I'm just gonna weld it to the ground so the tornado can't get it, hopefully. Just do a little bit of welding there and here and there. Look at that. Now, we're going to put it down. See if it won't go. And it won't go. You see I'm flooring it. It's not working, so that's good. I'm going to weld the wheels to the ground as well as the lift. So that's extra, extra strength, so it won't do anything. So, also, wait, what? I just ripped that door off. Wait, can I rip doors off? Okay, I can just rip the doors off. Okay, that's not what today's video is about. But anyway, I'm gonna spawn a tornado over here, and I'm gonna get in the car and hope it doesn't get me. So spawn it over there. It's gonna be very glitchy, but there it is. As you can see, it's spawning. So we better do this pretty quick. Okay, yep, it cannot go. So let's just hope it doesn't eat us to pieces. Oh, I can hear it. There it is. It's coming for us. Oh, it took that truck that was just next to us. And there's pieces flying in here. Oh my, what is that sound? Wait, whoa. What's that over there? There's like a secret entrance. Wait, what? Okay, we're gonna have to check that out later. After this tornado gets us. Or, hopefully it doesn't get us. Oh, there it is. It's right next to us. It's about to eat us. No! What are we gonna do? No. Oh, it's here. Okay. Please work. Don't break it. Don't break it. That is loud. Oh, yep. No, that doesn't work. Okay. How am I still alive right now? Okay, that didn't work. But did you see that secret entrance? We gotta go check that out before we can move on to my next idea. I've never seen that in this game, and I've played this game for quite a while now. Let's just rip the door off. Okay, now it won't let me rip the door off. Okay, we gotta move this. What the heck? What? I've never seen this before. It's like a bunker with a jazz thing. Does this work? Oh, I like that. And it's like a little town. Should we try this? Let's try this as a tornado shelter. You know what's funny? I've been playing this game for that long and I haven't even noticed this. Okay, let's get in here. That didn't really work, but it's still here. I have my lightsaber just in case. Uh-oh. Did I do that? I think I did that. We gotta blow it out. Oh! It's inside of us now. Hi! There it is. Oh, yeah, that's not called words, sorry. Oh, no, don't take out the door. No, don't take out the door. No, that's bad. No. Light this on fire. You're done. No, okay, well, this is working. That's on fire. This wasn't planned for the video, and it's actually semi-working. No, don't take me to the fire. No. Okay, apparently, this happened. So, I think this one is approved. Let's reload the world so we can do that again. Alright, that was funny and cool at the same time. I had never known that it existed. I just broke the door and the wall. I had never known that this had existed. This had existed. But that is actually really cool. Okay, well, I'm gonna take this with me. So, our next idea, my next idea, is right over here. It is right down under this little building over here. I keep saying everything's little, it's really big. And under it is a little thing here where I keep saying little, where we can get, safe from the tornado. So I'm gonna weld this thing here so it doesn't fly away because I want to listen to it. We're gonna play some jazz while a tornado coming. I'm gonna spawn it right there. quickly get under. I don't know if this works. I've never done it yet, so we'll just see. Gotta get next to my jazz, though. Gate broken. What does that mean? I gotta get to my jazz. Okay, I'm here. Oh my. Okay, it's gone. I even rolled it and it went away. What does that sound? I have a flamethrower and I'm not afraid to use it. I'm gonna say hi. Oh, that didn't work. The tornado's interesting. No, this does not work at all. No, don't. This is... What do I do? Okay, let's move on to the next one. I'm reloading the maps every time because, you know, I don't want to have a ruined map every single time. Because there are some things I need for them to stay intact. So, this building, this part of the building that's to the right most side of the house is a little, I think it's like a disco thing. Yeah, look at that. But anyway, there's this one, it has an elevator too. No, don't push me in there. What I'm trying to say is that there's these two pillars down here that keep it, supported. This one is a, this is where the elevator goes. That looks weird. But anyway, this one, it does not have an elevator, so... Okay, hold on one sec. Yep, so this one's just steel beams. That is what I'm going to use for this technique. So, we're just going to spawn the tornado outside and hope it works. Just gotta grab it here. There it is. Now, I'll just... Should we spawn on top of it? Let's just spawn it on top of us. Alright, tell me this works. Tell me this works. Please tell me this works. It is really glitchy. This isn't good. I hear cars being tossed around. I am being sucked in. I'm trying to back off, but it won't let me. No! No, don't take me! Don't take me! No! No! Yeah, no, that's a big fail. That didn't work at all. Ow, I just got hit in the face with a... I don't even know what. That did not work. That was a fail. Okay. Now I have one more technique that I hope works. And either way this goes, this will be the last one right here. So we're gonna grab these cables and just attach the machine to the ground and see if the tornado will take the excavator. I don't even know what I'm doing at this point. I'm just making tension on everything. I'll put one there. I'm just gonna keep putting these on until it looks like spaghetti. Spaghetti. That looks wonky. Alright, let's see if that works. I think it's gonna work, but I'm not sure. I hope it does. Alright, I spawned it. Let's get in it. Let's get in. Quick, quick. Okay, I'm inside of it. The excavator almost looks like... Oh, it's already taken me. Oh, come on. You can hold it. Oh, it's working. The spaghetti is holding us. Oh, but it took my arm. It took the arm. Or it's trying to. The arm is attached to the ground, so it's not gonna get it. Oh, I'm spinning like crazy. Dude, no way. How is this working? How is this working? No! Don't take me! No! Oh my, what is my bucket doing? It's like breakdancing. My lights on the excavator resemble a rave. Oh, yep, see, we're inside of the tornado and it's still working. We're still alive, the vehicle's still running. The lights are on. I think this is a success. I think this is a success. Yep, that worked. Alright. Let's see. Let's see if it runs. Let's see if it drives. I'm just gonna take all these cords off. The bucket, we don't need the bucket. Oh, there's still one attached. Is that it? No, there's still one more attached. 2 more. Alright, let's see if that works. It works. You've got to be kidding me right now. It's driving. It's got spaghetti hair, but it is definitely driving. It's also missing the bucket, but it's definitely driving. See, look at how hard that would have had to pull on that. Because look at what it has done to the buildings. Like that used to be. Oh, the bed still exists. That's cool. Like that building was torn off. That building was absolutely destroyed. This one too, and this one. Everything was destroyed. But those cables and this thing is perfectly fine. It drives. It turns on, and I'm fine too. So, if you guys want to see more of Teardown, let me know. Just comment on the video and I will do my best to reply to most of them. Alright, see you guys in the next video. Bye.